cin scialú ní mé gur bheith roiáid mar chur mar timer tuchanúmad má stopwatch. Ar a bhuiidir mar gur tuchanúmad timer agus snéis tá má tíní an baby monitor amteo tá sí hit mainín hit na colla tin airt ar genúmad a chun. Mar cheap mar dionain sína colla cheap mar dionach in livestream cruile be. Mar ní mé gur bhd agus ní mé gur títeach chus staire, mar ní mé gur caiint róáard réitís na bhaitís réitís go cloisi síime. Mar teachtain bheith lehar, tena bheith lehar. Mar se mata cheiste go duine na burt ar TikTok, so mar TikTok seo as mar YouTube live an seo. Agus ní hánig anisteach fós fir ceistní, so bhein sásta mata cheiste agaí bhein sásta cheist agart nó mo híal cheist agartir a dú best answer any questions. Mar sin me be mar seinna le berle le gailge me ní cin caiit an gailge te chohanna vis breno mar se bheit have to do bilingual English and Irish. So I don't know what standard of Irish everyone has. Ní bit mar chohanna ma dicach an choir se mar I don't know if everyone would understand what I'm saying, but I German barut German hangach mar shiny mé in fós. I think the one on YouTube. I can put it as one person on YouTube. George, hello, George. As the one about the birch or TikTok mar magna fan notification call lach nisam mi just as thought an is nisam joch green. I get notifications on TikTok and YouTube, but I don't know how accurate if people are still there or not, or they just pop in for 10 seconds and off again. Nilisa. Maar dúirt me dan Kylie bug in the colour, so dan baby monitor am the baby monitor here. Agus mar se me gerfa ní me gerfa caiit ro or I don't want to be talking too loudly, but she was a staire. That she was staire. Na colour. Mar se come cún as ní mé gur bharhád a chachnéid I don't want to be too loud. Is dúirt Chloe Brown cecha bhfuil tú. Tá má thar cín, tá má thar cín agus ó hain Chloe tá san bhfuil tú go má, tá san bhfuil tú go má, tá san bhfuil tú go má Chloe ar mad sinna tá se thar cín, tá má thar báir. Tá má sásta go má an livestream inna fan livestream guided. I'm happy to do a live stream. In Ion me iirecht Kylie bug chuir sis go nap ach níteach sin na colla go leis ceall. Dear Chloe thursach chuna satá ceachil an aimsir ar na Heilein. Tá sé chum amach siúlaid ar ball, I mai siúlaid ar ball, coppla a chuigechan agus bhí mé go Park Spraoi le leis a Kylie bug, mar se ní se rána tá sé tém, tá sé mar deara tá sé rupanta, bhfuil a bhí focail sin chusí go focail sin hána rupanta, tá sé rupanta, cilinn rupanta gaífar nó san nósart. At an bád a seola agus bhí na plane, bhín pánig a plane cúpla turn má, bhín plane chéir na chútarna ná, the plane came 4 or 5 times. Agus níos fear na Lord chaim si a teadúirt as chundach láir bheith as chundach láir. Tá chundach láideach tíomh héir teim, tá chundach láideach tíomh héir just east of me, so this is east towards the door tin tíomh héir. Agus tá sé gaífar, tá sé rupanta ach tá sé tém. It's windy but dry, sin an príomhrad chhádú tém be man amach a siúil as bheith mar sin. Níos fear an chláir a chaimsir te as dúirt cúpla duine deochait dúirt Matthew Dunton deochait just mar chuit Matthew agus dúirt B&B edits deochait just mar chuit B&B edits sa muid go má as dúirt Aoife Lally Tá sé go hálan chuig geachlastal tá mo chólíis chólíis gur míle maat gur maat te sníach Tá sé sníach hí mar agam me chunaí sásna tuigiú cear go leir go má agus dúir scaige me de Jane dechuit mar chuit Mende san go má agus tásúlam cechoil an aimimse a sásna ífe tá san múil má go leir. Agus teo Wild Irish Tours bhfuil a chara tá sé dechuir nó an fún ceart a rá nar tan láirt faoi head agus híar head SOIR said go gúnlach láir agus siar go níos meán so head é gúnlach láir head THOIR head a gúnlach láir agus híar in níos meán ó thua go chunamara agus ó yes go Kerry, veidir? Tá tú ná chunda chéirí a celas in na saoir lá bra. You can see County Kerry from in the saoir on a clear day. Ach níchaile up, but it's deach line táid it, just certain days. Féidir a different so head agus híar agus clic a rudí na me gur dúirt head 65 tucha sé gai Gurmad agus tá cinse dúirt Deirdre Matthews High just mar áit Deirdre san go má chara Gurmad dúirt Wild Irish Tours go má agus tá coppla teo dúirt mende beochtéir seachtainna Jan Scott Gurmad tá sé geiste bhí tús mai é leis an Toy Story. Ní ran meach a chéad chuide ní ran meach a chéad beidir cháid nó mar cháid fartí cháid so in saoir dearmid cháid a chan in smeáin is go mara they say cearacha cearacha a dear in saoir cháid an me chéad cháid nó mat an me chéad cháid nó mat gon Toy Story réid a bhí mar le cholat sin mar bhín Cailínbeg a í tarsach mar a bhí i an am choláte. Dear Chloe Brown a mén tú gail go dtí caiid go minic ní bhín de cabhar bhí me tamidir nach bhí me an gáile na harta míochan the last time I was in Galway it's about a month ago. Mar be me bhfuil síos le nulik mar gan coppla seachtain mar be me go muo bhí me can tíú cheirí I muo bhí nulik as coplaí in eile as it sin teagm de ráise teo le íchéim bbliana mar idir seán ó hír cháscóir. Se dearfaí cháscóir a teo freisin agus gan mara ach was mé rá ach ní dear chaid sa hín chaid sa dó chaid sa tí agus gan mar is me dear cearacha sa hín cear sa dó. Dear Chloe Spraoi mar sin bhí me rá go bhhailm bheith boga go dtí na Hilein. Se cín sé bh tá caiite marachtáil le maiteo agus má a gailge sáit mai le do chuid gailge a chléachta freisin má gur do chuid gailge a chléachta. Ní mar an áteach in níosá sa tír le chléachta agus mar dúirs me tá láineo tá suirt tá farige hír an farige hír sin le an cainte bhín san teir and is le an cainte idiom we have farige hír is big seas coming up onto the shore onto the rocks onto the pier mar tá ráirta an bhui láis ráirta. So Rauta is when there's a full moon. There's a full moon. It's tá full láis. Agus so bhí agus goáir leis an le gaí láidir nó tá so with strong winds like today and the fargi hir and the rauta you get fargi hir. So the hisigi gave it in our the peer hisigi gave vin a moim man nai chichtan near moim. So moim is MIDHM. Moim is a wave, another word for a wave or a big wave. So moim. Yeah, so moim chichtan near. Moim chichtan near you gave chin. Vin a moim chichtan near. Ach, so tá rauta, go leis ceann, farige hir agus rauta agus farige hir, nar tá gaí, nar tá gaí for nus sé níos. Agus have you ever met agus dúirta na cin light bow my ex-boyfriend, you look just like him. Alright. Se cear go leor. Agus se bhfuil mata ceiste le gaígham dionam a má iireacht. Dionam a iireacht ceiste chuí agurt. Dionam a má díal. I'll do my best to answer any questions that you may have for a native Irish speaker from the Aran Islands. Gaigur a hóchas as Silan Áran. Dionam a má díal. I'll do my best to answer any questions. So for any newcomers, I have a baby monitor here. Thank Kylie Berg in the colour. My little daughter, she's asleep. I put her down about 20 odd minutes ago. So I have the baby monitor there. So come a súlach an and that's my chidush. Agus ní mé ar a kind of words. If you notice me talking kind of quieter, it's because I don't want to be making too much noise to wake her up. So I just you. Giar Sean O'Heed mé mór an opad ar fáil in na Hilein. Brian ní mór an a tám sean go bhliain sa saoir a bín go leor bín seo but seo japan ar fáil tám sean go bhliain so is sa saoir go leisteach bín go leor meallar na straidsearí na turasóirí bín go leor sort the Popaní, the Bodge and Spraoi, the tagan go leor turasóirí go leor straidsearí in the sir go leor náran mar bín seo postanna seo opad ar fáil go haine sa saoire a ní mór an na tám sean go bhliain ní mór an postanna mín ar fáil a tám sean go bhliain. Tá mé gobud a spáile beidir an máile beidir áteil ar cís atá but an Idirlín go maith. So a lot of people work from home here. They've got good internet. Tá Idirlín maith anseo mar se bín go leor daoine gobud go cólachtaí móra agus tead ná an na gcónaí te. Cuireann tú duine bhfuil ainm gaoinecham mailam do stíl go maith. Go maith bhfuil an ísáig agus goraigh fad a beitir. Beidir ban ísáig agus a goraigh fad might be the beard and the lang here beidir ní sam. Cinnáte mín na peileadóirí na Hilein ag treinil. Well pyjamas in the sir beidir le treinil atá agus tá mé ar na smór beidir le treinil na smór ach go minic casantead le chéile in aile. So go minic cáte go gaile agus beidir le treinil le tin beidir bhúr na hósa teachtain ag swamp. Má go bhí swamp tin an aile ag gládach a tin ag swamp beidir le treinil le tin. Sin tá go leor daoine bhacha go mar fuair an peile le an áireann tá bunaí an aile nó le cia mar se bh níos friochte níos frusta le treine le aile ag swamp. Dúirt John Smith everything's more expensive on the island because you have to ship everything to it. Go mo leis geall as má bhutún. Rudbag se cabhfuil bín Brian ag siop an seo mar húpla bín rudaí rubag ní staire ná bhach beidir an gáile. Hanús beidir supervalue. Ar price céine le supervalue, so the supervalue rubag ní staire sílam go handúil na Duns no Aldi no Tesco. I think supervalue is usually more expensive than Tesco or Aldi or Duns. So the local shop would be equivalent to probably supervalue on the mainland roughly. So, but Carcalo should need to. That man sort Skyjan Marachtaila Mavat Ja Mayal as an Pinas hero Sasaura freshen where I jetach mine post that jetas are post Belgaile freshen let's let Thorasolacht as in get breshet in the Golordina shin where an Saura Harkin le Tagan Golordina chan a copper Sasaura. Cyn price ta rich along a gaile. Go hynnas ila nor and returned by Capagol about €1 at my Capagol return. I think it's €40 hour ticket. My Sheelam goal. Hartarshin. I go hynno even more. Was I need stay was I better see €1 better. I think for an islander. I think hour ticket is maybe €60, something like that. Pages. Ní my keen to find the price. I'm not sure about the price. I was a hard arshin. I go on as an hour so about you see but free like it. Sheila, the better like it. No keen. I need to shach no mother bane, but it's only 7 minutes at the blame of Shatan. That's an handy. There's Emer on the banner. Gotobon. Go ma bhfuil an banner chundach láir Headed County Clare is this direction. The man chundach láir ceall ficim chundach láir chuile lá. I see County Clare every single day. Ficim chundach láir chuile lá. Supervisor is a rip-off everywhere now. Well, ní lein Lidl na Lidl, ní lein Aldi na Lidl atá níl lein Aldi. Agus Doolin, it's right Doolin, the Doolin Headed Doolin is this direction. Now Bellacha line. The people long ago here on the islands, they wouldn't have said Doolin near it is Doolin with the good side go do Jerry with the good say Bellacha line was Sraj in Yeskere they'd go like Fisher Street with the say Sraj in the Yeskere you go over to Fisher Street Bellacha line. That's what they used to say here, Bellacha line. Smilem Spanish Point. That's a jazz freshen. Smilem's a Spanish Point freshen. Viman mi Ibra. I was in Spanish Point mi Ibra in April. Vi Bailey son Armada and bit of Hamter is that the Armada Hotel. Vi Bailey on in mi Ibra. I had a meal in the Armada Hotel in April. Jazz, yeah. In Armada. Jazz, yeah. I remember, yeah. Frichosk during Easter. There's Harbo one. I'm fluent in Irish. Haven't spoken it in many years. I've no one to speak to. Well, Kato here, you'll have to come to the you'll have to come to the Gaeltacht. No pop-up Gaeltacht pages or pop-up Gaeltacht even pages. Agus Willie Clancy, Milton Malbay. Shall we Milton Malbay freshen? In Thursday, I was in Milton Malbay. Straws na Carach na guys, and that's what it means. Straws na Carach. Shall we just? Smilem Straws na Carach. A couple of cafe and jazz, and there's a few very nice. A couple of cafe and jazz on. agus dúirt John Smithson ceann chunrad ó na Gearmánaí eildínis. Bhfuil go maith tá eildí go maith agus lídal go maith éonhfuil víns me an eile fan golóradí as eildí agus lídal freisin me caiid an má good standard agus ní saoire freisin ní sé, so good quality and cheaper. Germans is Germany, I think. No Germany, sné. Thank you, that. Agus carna, no, as Eleanorin, mis ní as carna, as Eleanorin, as Eleanorin. Cymryd am ta ffoc i'r timer dur mae un lewer. So genw madele. Genw mad ffoc i'r timer. So 10 minutes left of the timer. Well, tan baby monitor am I have the baby monitor here. Tan Kylie Berg in the colours aside of the little my daughter sleep upstairs, so that's why I'm talking quietly. You might get a bit in the Nuraka glow. You might get a bit in the glow. Glow is making noise. Glow, GLEO, like John the glow. You might get a bit in the glow. But at the just cune. She brand new monitor chat. She falls in the colour. I'm looking at the monitor here. I can see her asleep. The man falls in the colour. So she's in the colour in the chart there now. She's asleep about half an hour. So found she in the colour, which is work a so she'll probably stay asleep for another an hour and a half. No mercy. So found she in the colour, which is like no mercy. She usually sleeps for about 2 hours. After my jack your live stream in the better hour no mercy. Thinking was well, Marvin Dine, false heart as for a kishning, but it's better good in a couple of them my brescia injury time. Any you be my follow na Duolingo, Duolingo. So some of them only am of them. What a Duolingo story really sam. Nis an kichamas the Duolingo. Bigger AI. To my cap a lot with a whole man and lot of smaller Duolingo na going AI. Yeah, it's been really good already nachne here up. So apparently I've heard I haven't used Duolingo for Irish, but apparently there's a lot of AI gobbledygook nonsense, so the sentences and things don't make any sense. So Nisa Machta app on Charfaller Android agus Apple iOS on Shonach app my capo on Shonach in on then Shonach SIONNACH. It's a good one. So I'd recommend on Shonach app. Apparently it's kind of like Duolingo but better. Yeah, on Shonach. So it's a bit like Duolingo but much better. Much better Irish kaija. Gus be my clacht on from Goni gan faus gan aus wel moller bet. Níl sam jackers tá sé jocker an a ríide. Is nus máide. So je moet máide for like sort of mora máide or bridge Maureen. So an R coil, a lot of nan, a lot of it's nearly or extremely difficult for non-native speakers to get the R coil the coil R or the coil the slender R right to pronounce. Níl sam pages Jack Clacht coil to Clacht a page níl sam to sé chukur goine nar tógiúh le gail go mar chétá go a sin uamleo a gceart a rá a gceart ach so máide as opposed to móra agus bríd instead of breed máirín si an mórín mar húmpla sin an cuil an cuil ná cuil ran. Is mai an app se sinnach go dúir John Smithson. Chol ma go anva, I've heard it's very good for beginners. And not Duolingo, use it in Shunach app. Instead of Duolingo, use the Shunach app, it's much better. Rud nach mailum fi Duolingo blas AI ní te gawer chunna bheith gaile duine fear ní mar your AI gapperty cook. Some people say the slender R is similar to the Czech R. Níl sam. Tá sam chá ocul. Czech. Ahoy. Tá mai ceap bin slán, I think, is ahoy. Ahoy, is that bye in Czech. Bye or hello, ní mai cínte. Agus Nedved killing Jason bear, mar I think Nedved means bear in Czech. To my cap. Ní mai cín, they're the only two words that I know, and I'm not entirely sure if that's how you pronounce or if that's the right exact meaning. There's the Phantom, George Mahara, hello from the north, just my Hodge Phantom, so much go ma. There's Sean O'Heary on R, Jerry, Knocker, Mór, mar húmpla, mór mílteach, mór. Agus dúirt duna cinse ní bhí Sunny is a good dog. There's Damien tíad tá sé muis, tá Sunny Harkeen, tá Sunny teag máid cosa síos anna fád. Sunny, yeah, soas. Tá Sunny chat. We actually much custom. He was there at my feet, keeping my feet warm. Agus that's a cunne Sunny. Agus there's Bill Spencer. What? Speak up. Well, ní mai gur bheith caint rád mar the baby monitor. I have a baby monitor here. Mar ní mai gur bheith caint rád. Ní mai gur an cailín bag go hóiseacht. I don't want to wake up the little girl from her nap. She's only asleep for about half an hour or thereabouts, so that's been called like she needs a 2-hour nap. So you may hear a kind Lord. Come on, let's go. Mr. Sunny Jess. Beans like neither my kind for he knows when I'm talking about him. Beans like Sunny, it's my on camera and he's good. This is a baby monitor too. Which hasn't cared. So. Agus when I cheist ní cheist let's give it come on let's go. The Johnson. Couple of my thought here and timer, so there's a few minutes left on the timer. Agus má tá cheiste go íhom Jenna ma híal I guess agart. I'll do my best to answer any questions. So when I'm doing it through TikTok, reminds my van podcast episode note, such as YouTube. So for the people who are listening on TikTok here in the live stream, myself and my wife, we released another episode of Play agus Spraoi. So that's available on Spotify, Apple, all podcasts, and on YouTube actually as well. So Mata should get a sin hostel, should not go YouTube, no Spotify, no Apple podcasts, no we cannot meet you guys to my cap go charfall. I think it's available everywhere. Mar magul ní mai cínte Spotify, Apple agus YouTube. Where do you live? Ilan Aran. Tam is mo chun Ilan Aran and the Aran Islands. Kimis blian dis kinis ta Sunny Shach blian dis. Sunny is 7 years of age. That's an full-line. Good job. He's very healthy. I guess line of fun of Brosach is I suppose lively, alert, lively, very lively. That's line of fun of. So te bra breosach, the sunny bra breosach. Na chwe, bra breosach. Tá sé, sunny sásta. Agus, imagine stuff. Fan acting. That's what we say here. Fan acting means hold on a second. Hold on. Listen to. That's 30 minutes gone. Right, so that's 30 minutes gone. Just a couple of them. I'll do another. Right, I'll do. Could my genumat for 10 minutes injury time. So you have 10 minutes to ask me any questions. The genumat will be, if you know, Kishni. Saturday. Jack Russell, Sunny Clishte. Sunny Clishte. Ficking to galore. Well, our TikTok over here on TikTok live stream. The name of the TikTok is Sunny Clishte. So it's named after Sunny, star of the show. As our YouTube, which are ficking to Sunny Gomini Kimhoj Fishan. You see Sunny in my podcasts. You see Sunny as a B-roll when I'm putting up the YouTube podcast. I often pushing the pram and you see Sunny freshen. Agus glogam YouTube shorts being Sunny on Gominic. I mean Sunny Jess. Be. Oh, Sunny Jess. Oh, smile at the shit. Oh, no, smile at the shit. Smile at the shit. Sunny Jess. Smile, Sunny Jess. Agus cute pup ma. Salons and Nas. Come on. Agus, so the genuma dagi. So you have 10 minutes to ask me any questions before I head off. But cup and tea, I might make myself a cup of tea, and Beijing man or other Netflix. I might make myself a cup of tea and watch something on Netflix while the little one is asleep. So it'll give me a chance to watch something. Nivi man am brano where films going faster, like I'm not able to watch, grown up television shows and things often. If there's violent scenes or whatever, or scary. So things, Stranger Things, mar humpla, na rudí mar sin bus aró scary, scanrúil, gon caini bug. So ní féilim brandó Stranger Things. No rudí mar sin leis a caini bug. I can't watch those things, only watch he's asleep or whatever. So beidir man mar Stranger Things beidir, níle sam, which chula nach a rowing. I've heard the first 4 episodes. It's not meant to be brilliant from what I've heard. Chula ma beidir go níle sam, sinna chula nach a rowing. I've heard it's not brilliant. Ben dara coid tiatamach gan couple of shacht in Sheelan, but I think the next 4 episodes will be coming out then in a couple of weeks. So basically man the immersion episode yes in Olivia the colour, as long as she's asleep. But you're making just take and maybe a nice warm cup of tea. Cé nach chuil fuair na rí. Sin do bháin níl te fuair. Ní te fuair. That's one thing that a gaifar agus flach so the gaifar agus múrileach, like it's windy and showery, but it's not really cold. Sin do bháin. It's sin buntas do bháin. Chur mé chas an ísio an caini bug in the room. So siúmra, I just turned on the heat very low for my daughter while she's asleep, but it's not really necessary. So so that's handy that it's not níl uachta. Agus tá máma seo was a staire. Agus bhí sé hart a céim Celsius gan ein chas blauwurachan. So a current thermometer upstairs is around 14 degrees Celsius. So that's for December with no heating on, that's very good. So it's not cold. Ní fuair. Couldn't be lying on the Nora. I remember there were days last year they're very cold. So without the heating, you'd be about 7 degrees, 7 or 8 degrees indoors. Chastú le chaitear dúchas as muóíomh gasúm copperturn as Bellavudad gus as Turvicage. I've met people from Turvicage, Turvicage, as Bellavudad as Guisáile, and from Guisáile ní some cí bhéir ar Guisáile as Casam daine as Bellavudad as Guisáile. Tá gailge Guisáile beag bhío cosú le gailge teo bhaine teach difrachtaí bhas ar tionchar gailge chun an ngáil rubach ar gailge bhío. So Donegal, Mayo Irish would have a slight influence from Donegal Irish, Northern Irish a little bit. Agus in charging the Sayer bhacht tionchar rubach beidir moinach, we might have a slight Munster influence. Mar humpla in Chan in the Sayer, and in the Sayer we say yun, not runne, yun. So yun ma sin, I did that, not runne. And in Shmean is gonna mara. Yeah, said runne. So it's my oversession, they say runne. Chacha yun. You go over your oversession. Spine up. I chuir le chuilerud ar bhaileat fata yelli elle le teach muide elle I-I-L-E elle others are more like elle fata yelli bhaileat fata yelli sáli not sále, for the sole of your foot or the heel. Sála or the high heel, sála or the sáli or the mar humpla. So they like you smile up the ease. Cymys mat fácaí, so the tune mat fácaí. So you've 3 minutes left of injury time before I make myself a cup of tea and watch Stranger Things and other kinch. Beige, Neil Sam. No fit Neil Sam, ban my guitar Netflix, I'll see what's on Netflix. But I'm kindly begging the colour, especially the colour. Oh, I lied would I get she'll sleep for I'd say another hour at least. An hour and a bit. Oh, does she book a there's a little bit of movement there. Maybe my kind short, maybe I'm talking too loudly. Yeah, Bridget, yeah, she can't close, she's okay. No so much, shh, Sonny, shh, Sonny, shh, stop, Sonny, now douching kindly back, shh, stop. That's Sonny, Mahossinch, so he's protecting me from the wind. Mahossinch on high. He's protecting me from the wind. That's sort of the Kirkador. Maybe Sunny Taffin or hard, he might awaken her. If he barks too loudly, he might wake the little one. So couple of my talk in this Hadmadilla. So you have 2 minutes before I hit the road, before I finish up here. Tá cháúma dagaí fácaí much of your cheistí agus duna mo dhéal an cheiste agart. I'll do my best to answer any questions. You've about 2 minutes or less. Agus mal ní mé ggéirbh duna cruilbe róáta mal tá sí díra chusastá, she's just upstairs here agus ní le fú ní soundproof drawingtach mar sem my kind of word, basically, go gluiseach sí me. Cí get ar bark táfan. Mar a bhí sunny táfan. Tá ige Tás a gainim, he knows his name. Tás a gainim, he knows his name. Na chuil is fanny jazz. What's a tafel? What do tafel? What do you rudigich? Come on, sunny jazz. As dúirt Wild Irish Tours gur míle maith de chairas de chair feiceim hir ar an má cinint. Go maith ionach ar fad Wild Tours, Irish Tours, ionach ar fad. Go maith. Bhfuil ceistile raibh me. Any more questions before I head off? Oh, listen to you hear that? In a timer, catch Kerkelor, mar sin choid nomad díirech is that's exactly 40 minutes now. So fuck, I'll leave it there now. So yeah, fuck, Canada think the end of an 8 in is 8 nodig like beetje, but 8-9 hours. Oh, 8 log ar maidjin. Goji Laurshikar from around 8 o'clock in the morning roughly to around 4:30 roughly. So that's that, about 4-ish hours. Hard that Kerocha Glebeter. There's Neebs books. Wait, I am late. I will but you can look at if you want, you can look back in the live stream. Anyway, Gormina Mad for speaking with us. Gormad, yeah. Carcolor Masha, Shne Masha, Falk Muchina, Slong go Fowl. Agus